Hello Gemini, welcome to my channel. This is your weekly career, business and money reading from 26th October to 1st November. Being a general reading, not all messages might resonate with you, so keep whatever resonates. Also, this is based on your Sun, Moon and Venus rising, so check those videos as well. So let me just shuffle. Gemini, career, business and money reading from 26th October to 1st November. Spirits, please guide us. Gemini, career, business and money from 26th October to 1st November. One more shuffle, Gemini. Career, business and money from 26th October to 1st November. So let's see what we have. The Magician. So you want to manifest something, or you have the power of manifestation. 8 of Swords or 8 of Wands, sorry. Judgment. Page of Pentacle, Ace of Swords, 9 of Cups. So you have a beautiful, I see a week which is beautiful, Gemini here. Overall you have this, all the cards are positive card. What else to ask? So Magician, this is like, you have the power to manifest anything. That's what, if you want to, you just need to be taking action. You have everything that is needed to be, whatever you want, whatever you desire, you need to take action and you can manifest things. That's what you have, that power of manifestation now is very high. After that we have this 8 of Wands here. Quick success. This is a card of quick success. It's card of travels. It's card of lot of communications, happening. It is also, traveling for work. It could be, moving also to another location. That's what so lot of emails, lot of, you will find this week magical. That's what I want to add here. Lot of travel, lot of work related to, it will be quite a hectic with lot of work, but it will be positive, like you will be energetic, you will feel good. That's what I'll say, that, even if you're putting in effort, you are gonna feel really happy. So success is coming to you, emails, communication back and forth. That is what I feel here. Very good card here, the Judgment card. So you will have to make a decision here, or you already have made a decision which you need to announce. Maybe you might, if it's a career, business, money reading, so maybe you have options here. So you need to make a decision. Now this decision, maybe something in the past is related. Maybe you will leave a job, you will be joining a new job, maybe you have to tell your company about that, or maybe you are leaving something and moving forward with something else. That's what so a decision, or an inner calling, like maybe some of you will be more into spiritual growth, spiritual seeking, that kind of an awakening could also come with this card, looking for inner peace, looking for inner guidance, a call of inner calling, or making a decision. That is what to move forward, with this Judgment card. So this is it here. Page of Pentacle, an opportunity, an offer, anything. So some of you might get a job offer, some of you might get a monetary benefit, power, that is power, wealth, prestige. That is what I can say here with these cards here. So it's a monetary benefit, or anything. It could be a resource, it could be a material gain. It's a offer of material gains. That's what I'm telling you here. So somebody, you could get a job which will help in your financial foundation. It's like this. So Page of Pentacle card, definitely, an opportunity coming to you. Use it wisely. This is what the card is saying, that it's an initial energy, so you need to grasp this and use it to the maximum benefit. That's what I say. Maybe you will get a job in which you will need to work, and project you will bag which will improve your, or deal will come through for you. So like that. With Page of Pentacle card also, there is a thing that you need to be aware of, the way you handle money. Be very cautious with your money. You might lose out, that is what I would say. Ace of Swords. So Ace of Swords here, Gemini, is talking about a clarity coming, a path of illumination. You know, if you were stuck in a situation, if you did not know what, a truth is gonna come out which will illuminate your path. You know, to the correct path. I mean, to the right path towards forward movement. That is what I feel here. Also, this if you were stuck or you wanted to make a decision, you know, you do not know, so some truth, some clarity is coming into your life this week here. It could be in your personal, professional life here with this Ace of Swords. Also, this talks of a lot of paperwork, documentation, visa, passport. Some of you may be traveling international, national, legal papers. So a lot of paperwork needs to be done here, Gemini. So some of you will be involving with visa, passport, I mean the travel documents as well as legal papers here. You know, that is what I get. Overall energy, Nine of Cups. Not only you will be loving, caring, you will you know, you will be loving, caring, and you will also spend time with your family, with your you know, with your friends. That is what overall you are. This is like a party boy who, you know, somebody who enjoys get-togethers. So emotionally fulfilling. You are looking at your position right now, you know, stable. You find yourself stable, joyful. This is a card of feeling joyous. So overall, it's you start off with the Magician and you end this week with, you know, maybe your weekend you are just month end you are just partying. You have met your targets, you have fulfilled your goals, I mean the short-term goals, and then see, this is the card which you start and end this. So beautiful, Gemini, what better than this? So I'll just I do not see any Pentacle card here. Yes, there is a Page of Pentacles, so sudden money coming for some of you here. You know, it could be from stock market, it could be from real estate, it could be from brokerage. It's like that, you know. Yeah, so this is it, Gemini. Now let me just pull out an angel guidance card for you for this week. Okay, new beginnings, begin your new life. So beautiful card here, new beginnings, begin your new life. So this is it, Gemini. If you do like my readings, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share, and thank you so much.